Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone, struggling with your PS5 remote in 2025. It's super frustrating when your controller starts misbehaving, right in the middle of a crucial game. We've heard all the complaints, from mysterious disconnections to sticky buttons. But don't worry, there's a single, comprehensive method to fix these issues. Let's dive in and get your game back on track, smoothly and efficiently. Before anything complex, let's cover the essentials. First, ensure your controller is fully charged. A low battery often causes weird glitches. Next, give both your PlayStation 5 and the controller a quick power cycle. Just turn everything off for about 60 seconds, then power it back on. And finally, try plugging in your controller directly with a USB-C cable and resyncing it. These quick steps often resolve many common problems right away. If the basics don't work, let's look at the software. It's crucial to make sure your DualSense controller's firmware is completely up to date. Also, a quick factory reset of the controller itself can clear out any strange internal errors. Just look for the tiny button on the back. And don't forget to check your PlayStation 5 console for any pending system software updates too. Keeping everything current is key to optimal performance. Sometimes the issue is physical. Take a moment to visually inspect your controller's USB-C port. Look for any lint or dirt that might be preventing a good connection. Next, carefully clean around the buttons and analog sticks. Sometimes, accumulated gunk causes sticking or unresponsiveness. For stubborn stick drift, a blast of compressed air can work wonders, pushing out unseen debris. Always be gentle, of course, when cleaning sensitive components. If you've tried everything we've covered and your controller is still giving you trouble, it might be time for professional help. It could indicate a deeper hardware issue that requires repair or replacement. Definitely check if your controller is still under warranty with PlayStation. They're usually very helpful. And moving forward, regular updates and a quick clean can keep your controller happy for a long time. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.